Hi guys, this is Miss Igo. Welcome to my classroom. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve a system of equations that has 3 equations and 3 variables. If you'll notice here, I have 3 equations and there are 3 variables, x, y, and z. And all 3 of my equations are in general form. So it needs to be basically alphabetical order, x, y, z, and then equals the constant. So if you'll notice, all 3 of these equations are already in that form. Once it's in that form, we can take the coefficients and the constants to put it into a matrix. So here's my matrix. And if I were going to try to put this into my calculator using matrices, let's see what happens. If I choose second and matrix, and I go to edit my matrix, this is where I can choose the number of rows and the number of columns. Well, the number of rows is 3, and that's fine, but the number of columns is 4, and I don't have a choice for 4 columns. So I can't use reduced row echelon form to solve this system of equations. But I can use this calculator to solve a system of equations. What I need to do is go to System Solver. So I press second, and then the tangent button above it says System Solver. So I can press that. And this is a 3x3 linear system. And it's 3 equations with 3 variables. So I'm going to scroll to that and hit Enter. So now if you'll notice, it looks like a matrix, but it has that 4th column for the constants. So we'll just input all of our information just like we would in a regular matrix. So I have 1, and then I have a -2 because in the equation it was -2y, so it's a -2. Make sure that you press the negative button and not the minus key. Enter. Then I have 4, 6. In the next equation I have 1. So again, if you'll notice, we just had x and y, the understood number in front of my variable is a 1. So I have 1 for my x, 1 for my y, 13 for z, and then 6. And in the last row, I have -2, 6, -1, and -10. And then, if you'll notice, it highlights the word solve. So when we want it to solve, we just hit enter. And this gives me my solutions. So x is -14, and then I can scroll down to see what the next value is. Y is -6, and z is 2. So I can choose to solve again, or I can quit. And that gives me the solution to this system of equations. We could also do a 2x2 system of equations, 2 equations with 2 variables using this same method. We would just choose the 2x2 instead of the 2x3, and you'll notice that gives you a system with 2 equations and 2 variables. So you could do that instead of using the matrices if you wanted to. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to share it with a friend or a classmate, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.